Cala Figuera is a district of Santani on the island of Mallorca, around 60 kilometers to the southeast of Palma. The traditional town was first mentioned in records in 1306, but it was not until the end of the 19th century that the first houses were built in the area. The village encompasses a small traditional fishing community of 600 permanent residences, which rises during the tourist season when owners of the many high-priced holiday villas and apartments descend on the town for the summer months. The town of Cala Figuera stretches from high cliffs to the south of the town to the fishing harbor at the end of a fjord-like inlet, which holds some of the most picturesque traditional buildings in the whole of Mallorca, as well as a number of millionaires' mansions overlooking the scenic harbor entrance. Cala Figuera offers no tourist beaches or easily accessible swimming areas, as a result of which it remains largely untouched by mass tourism. The harbor serves as a starting point for a detour to the rocky beach of Cala Figuera. A steep footpath with stones and scree leads to a small rocky stretch of coastline with crystal clear water. Access to the water is over stony ground, but is considered worth it by the numerous snorkelers and divers. The sheltered port area only caters for a small number of visiting yachts. The harbor is home to a small fleet of local fishing boats, which are permitted, by exception, to fish the coastal areas of the Mondrago Natural Park, a protected wildlife area. When the fishermen are not at sea, they sit in small groups at the harbor or mend their nets. Although most of the all inhabitants live on tourism today, some still make a living from the sea. Cala Figuera experienced a tourism boom in the 1970s and 1980s.